I just want to say, I look so good over here. My makeup looks so good today. I'm so proud. I'm sweltering in here, so can we leave?
I'm crying.
Thank you for letting me know my keys are in.
Oh, damn it.
And move it back into position. Okay, hello everybody. So, as you can see, I'm driving. We are on our way to the shopping center, or the mall as people call it. So, oh, it's Simpli.
Hey, jingle.
Chill out.
Jingle a different way.
Chill, just chill.
It's not Christmas yet.
So me and Charlie decided, it's not Christmas. Wow. We decided that it'd be kind of fun, as we haven't had Charlie in a video for so long. We thought it would be fun just to have a bit of a fun time.
Stop jingling all the way.
Good thinking, 99.
I know.
Don't get up yourself a little bit, huh? It's jingling.
Jingle all the way, buddy.
You know, it's just a car. By the way, I'm just going to point it out, I do not own any of these songs. You know, they're not mine, they are other people's who have worked very hard on them, but I just love listening to them. So also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, which I will leave down below for you guys. Just because, why not? And you get to see this face every day. It's not that exciting. Alright, so let's play some music. You can choose. I wasn't. I said you can choose.
Oh, yeah.
Charlie doesn't know any recent songs, so I'm sorry if we play like really old songs. Charlie just doesn't know new songs.
I don't know anyone. Which one?
That's what I just said. Oh, just play this one. Play that one. Just play. Do you know this song?
I am
looking at the whip frame, that's a nice 80s. You should throw it to me like Tom Brady. With the long blonde hair, that's Marshall Brady.
When I first met you, thought it was special. I told you that I wanna go back.
I wanna go. But if you wanna go, I'll make it. Let's do it soon.
It was nice to know you, let's do it again. But we did it in the one night stand. I wanna be more than a friend. Do that again.
Song. Just pick one that you know, so we can sing along together, because otherwise
I don't know
it's
any.
boring. I think I'm in the wrong way, and there's a car there, so I can't move over. I'm sorry, buddy. I know it's 110, but I can't move over because there's a car there. Yeah, chill out. There's a car there. Bro.
They're not even nice sunglasses. Why'd you buy those?
Wow, I'm in a tricky position. Hey, go on. You go, don't be on your phone, and then you go, choose a song. What do you want? Then pick one you know. I don't know.
I was wondering about your mama.
Do you know this one? Oh my god.
So that car that gave her
Wait,
problems.
who sings it?
I'm just curious about her honest. Do you wonder why I've been calling? Like I got ulterior motives. You know we had something stronger. I'm wondering, can we still be friends? Can we still be friends?
Lingering.
Does it have to end? If nothing ends, can we be friends? Can we be friends?
I don't want to go anywhere.
Hi.
Hi, how you going? I'm Charlie.
What's your name?
I'm Charlie. How you going?
Lunchbox?
Was someone's lunchbox.
Okay.
We have an uphill start, folks.
Oh god.
Here we go. Oh, pretty good.
I mean, when you would never want to do an uphill start because you were too scared.
I would always
do it.
avoid it. Yeah. No one likes an uphill start in a
Shove
manual.
it in the mirror.
No one loves an uphill start in a manual car. Like, honestly, you can't win. Oh my gosh.
Don't you dare.
Come on.
Don't you dare.
Don't play me here. Oh my god, bitches. Stop braking.
Oh, my eyes.
Stop braking. I'm making moves. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, the tissue! The stabilizer! Is that a chicken right here? Oh, we're breaking. Hold your horses.
Shut up!
Hold your horses. We're making moves.
Shut up, Zoom.
Stabilize that girl. You got it? Friends.
This is why I never wear anything.
Oh, Jesus. Mother Mary. Jesus, take the wheel. Here we go. No, we should be fine.
Oh, why am I sitting on your phone?
Oh! We're not alright. God, stop knocking it. Alright. What?
What?
We can see.
Oh, God.
We can see all of you beautiful faces.
Yeah, sure.
Deal? Alright.
Deal or no deal?
I would say deal.
I remember when we used to go there every
Do you
like
remember this
3
song?
weeks.
This used to be my favourite song that I always listen to.
Wonder maybe they never find. I've been waiting such a long time to feel it. It took so many
Hey.
but I danced through the blisters at night.
Sorry, I'm like feeling your song through your lips. I'm like,
Till I can't hear your voice no more. Suddenly
what the hell? You with the dumb studies.
Queenslanders are honestly the worst flaming drivers. Like
Wait, this guy
crusty
just pulled
crabs.
out.
Like, hurry up. Flame the bloody crows because you're all shocking drivers. Like, it gives me anxiety.
Gee, that's why I'm always on my phone, because I'm stealing songs from your house.
Oh, you know. Oh my god, we actually made it. It's not even, it's 10 o'clock and the shop's open at 10 and we left on a tight budget. We left on a tight time budget and we have made it. Thank you to being on my Greenpeace so I can do 100 kilometers per hour. Thanks. You don't know what I'm saying.
No.
Well, do you know how I was like on my red piece? I can only do... We can only do 90.
That lady's staring at us.
I feel like this lady next to me is going to judge me because I have a camera on my thing and she's watching me like a freaking hawk. Like, girl, chill.
Take a chill pill, lady.
I don't want to be in line with her.
Take a chill
She's got a
pill.
BMW and she's judging me.
Yeah, no, don't judge people for...
Don't judge people for their preferences. What if I was really rich and I just
Yeah, no, don't judge people for...
decided to drive a Holden Astra that's 18 years old? How about that? And have a screwdriver in my window and thumbtacks in my roof. Like, and no aircon, so why judge me?
You could just say it's a hire car. It's a hire car!
My nan's car, okay? Even though I don't have a nan, it's my nan's car. So about 3 years ago, my dog was stolen from our backyard and we literally drove all the way to Helensvale
went down that road there.
from Pottsville. Got a call from the like the shelter or the pound and they were like, hello, yes, we have your dog. And they were like, where are you from? And we're like, Pottsville, which is in New South Wales, which is like the total opposite direction to where he was. And it was just a shit show. Like, someone stole our dog from our backyard and drove all the way up here, and we came to the conclusion that he's annoying. He was an annoying dog. And we came to the conclusion that they just got so annoyed with him because he's such an idiot, and they just were like, he's gotta go.
Yeah.
So they dropped him off here where we came and picked him up, and that was 3 years ago, and that was the funniest thing of my whole entire life.
Yeah, he was such a doofus. Like, we would call him...
Literally.
Like, we would go, hey, Stick,
whoa,
come
wrong
over
here.
here. And he would walk over, like...
Yeah, he was
like, we
just
would call him Stick, or we would call out him Coco, which
He
is
was
our other dog.
literally the dumbest dog I've ever had in my life, but I loved him to absolute pieces. And he actually went missing again, but didn't get picked up. He just ran away and never came back, which I don't know how I feel about that situation. We're gonna not talk about it though, okay? Anyway, let's play a song. I don't know, just pick a song, hon. You were just shuffled, just shuffled.
Oh my eyes.
Why are you saying "oh my eyes"? Oh my eyes, but my knee's sore. But I'm gonna say "oh my eyes."
My eyes are just so my neck.
Oh my eyes! Oh, it hurts so bad.
I don't know what song I'm playing, so I just.
Oh my god. You didn't catch it.
I wasn't watching.
Yeah, well, is it broken? If it is, I'm gonna be in strife from
No,
there.
it's not broken.
Oh my god, can you imagine if we broke it? That would absolutely kill us.
I need to do this, I forgot. Other way.
There we go, that's it. Well, we're nearly at our destination. Know the song?
No.
Yeah. I just started my sentence like a capital letter. Got bonds for years, I hope I send me a letter. No, she'll never be queen, so season of course.
Oh my god. Hello? Can we go?
Baby, I just don't get it.
Do you enjoy being hurt? You know the song?
No, you smell perfume, the makeup on your shirt.
They're all lying, bad as you are. Stick around, and I just don't know why. Do you know this song?
What the frick is this song? I don't know any song.
You need to update your songs. Do you know this one? Dun, 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 dun. I like you better when I'm with you. Yeah, I think you know it. That's like 1 out of 500 songs that I've tried.
No,
to
I
play.
actually do know songs on there, but I feel like you judge me because I know
Like one
them.
song
No,
in like the last 16 minutes that we've been recording. You like, oh, I know that one.
I know songs when I was looking on your playlist, but I didn't want to click
The
on.
one in your presum.
I don't know.
Better when I'm with you.
What are you
It's got really hot in here. Oh. Oh my god, Charlie. Finger
driving, not me.
Sorry, I can't help that there are hills in the middle of nowhere.
So weird.
Where is everybody going today? Like,
And it's not the end of the year, so.
I'm just a little confused at this point of time. I don't like coming into Queensland for these particular situations because I feel pressured. Ah, I'm meant to be going here.
Oh!
Oh my god, so much pressure, so much pressure. Breathe. Charlie, you don't drive, so shut up. You don't understand the feelings of this.
Remember when we used to drive on the beach and then I would like nearly drive into the water?
Wait, what?
Dad gave me the steering wheel one time.
Oh yeah.
When we used to
Worst
go camping.
idea. Charlie's gonna be the worst driver of
I
the entire planet.
nearly drove into the ocean.
This is
Oh my god!
Yeah, go give some. Speed bumps. 1, 2, and 3.
That last one was a good one. So out of all the people, you park right next to someone.
Well, this is it for today, folks.
Folks.
Mates. I should be saying mates, seeing as we're Australian.
Guys.
Dudes. Oh, I just spat. So we hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. And comment down below what videos you would like to see next, because I want to do more fun videos, because I love fun videos. And I think we should do more of these. What do y'all think, girlie? Alright. Have a lovely day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.